Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. In this video, we're exploring Lumos Fiber, found at lumosfiber.com. Lumos Fiber is a fiber optic internet service provider currently rolling out its network across several states. Their focus is on delivering a fast, reliable, and symmetrical internet connection, meaning upload and download speeds are the same. This makes a significant difference for activities like video conferencing, online gaming, and uploading large files. Lumos offers a range of plans to fit different needs and budgets, so it's worth checking their website to see what's available in your area. They emphasize not just speed but also a stable connection, aiming to minimize downtime and interruptions. One of the appealing aspects of Lumos Fiber is their commitment to symmetrical speeds. In a world increasingly reliant on uploading data, having equal upload and download speeds is a game changer. This symmetrical speed structure helps to eliminate bottlenecks and ensures a smooth online experience for everyone in the household, especially when multiple devices are connected simultaneously. They also offer a variety of equipment options, and you can find details about their routers and modems on their site. Customer service is another key area Lumos Fiber focuses on. They aim to provide helpful and responsive support to their customers. Details on their customer service options, including phone numbers, email addresses, and online chat availability, are readily available on the lumosfiber.com website. In an age where fast and reliable internet is essential, Lumos Fiber is positioning itself as a competitive provider. If fiber internet is something you're considering, I encourage you to visit lumosfiber.com and explore their offerings. Check their availability map to see if Lumos Fiber services your area. Remember, the details about their plans, pricing, and availability are all available on their website. They often have special promotions, so it's worth checking regularly for the latest deals. Overall, Lumos Fiber emphasizes a commitment to providing a high-quality internet experience. They are striving to bring the benefits of fiber optic internet to more communities. Be sure to look at their website, lumosfiber.com, for the most up-to-date information.